Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 26 beta update not showing on iPhone. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of issue. So if you're also facing this kind of issue, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings, okay, and tap on general. You can see a personal screen right now, software update, tap on there and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see appears on screen this iPhone showing only iOS 18.5 official update but not showing iOS 26 beta update. So you can see appears on screen on the top beta update, tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen iOS 26 developer beta showing here right now in my iPhone. So if you can't see that in your iPhone, you need to open your Safari browser and search here beta.apple.com. You can see a person screen right now. This website showing here in my iPhone. You can see a person screen showing here iOS 26 also. Just you need to tap on sign up and sign up with your Apple ID. After that, when any new beta update appears on iPhone official site, you can easily see in at your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone not showing iOS 26 beta update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming latest iOS and other iPhone updates. Thanks for watching.